7 years. That is how long my wife and I spent managing a motel. It was tough, but we learned a lot and met a lot of people in the process. If you are thinking about jumping into management or relief work, these are the 10 things you need to know to survive the Great Aussie Motel lifestyle. Tip number 1. You have to be a people person, even when you do not feel like it. In this job, you are the face of the town for some travelers. Whether you have had a leak in room 10 or a bad night of sleep, the guest at the desk deserves your best welcome. Your mood dictates their entire stay. Tip number 2. Managing the burnout. The hours are relentless. To avoid burning out, you have to find micro breaks. It is not about taking a month off. It is about taking 20 minutes to sit on your own veranda with a cuppa where the phone cannot reach you. If you do not find the silence, the noise will break you. Tip number 3. The contract is your shield. Get a good contract and know your rights. Australia has strict fair work standards, but the motel industry can be grey. Ensure your package clearly defines your on-call hours, your housing utilities, and your leave. A bad contract is a one-way ticket to resentment. Check the nest standards. Tip number 4. Choosing your terrain. Choose your location wisely. Do you want to work near family? Do you want the fast-paced corporate turnover of a city fringe motel, or the slower, more personal grey nomad vibe of the regional parks? Your location determines your stress level. Pick what works for your lifestyle. Tip number 5. The relief reality. If you are an owner hiring relief managers, do not just look at the resume. Look for the fit. You need someone who understands the quirks of your property. And if you are the relief manager, treat every property like you own it. Word travels fast in the Aussie relief circuit. Tip number 6. The never list. Never lose your cool with guests. It is the fastest way to kill your reputation. Tip number 7. The always list. Always ask a guest about their stay at checkout. Better to receive face-to-face feedback than a nasty review later on. Tip number 8. The clean break getaway. When you live where you work, the walls start to close in. You need to physically leave the property at least once a week. Go to the next town, see a movie, or just go for a bushwalk. You need to remind your brain that there is a world outside of room 1 through 20. Tip number 9. Digital reputation. Monitor and respond to every single review. In the modern Aussie motel game, your online presence is your front door. A polite, professional response to a complaint often carries more weight with future guests than the complaint itself. Finally, tip number 10. The golden rule of cleaning. Cleanliness is next to godliness. You can have the oldest motel in Victoria, but if it smells like lemon and the sheets are crisp, people will love it. A guest will forgive dated, but they will never forgive dirty. Always walk the high-traffic rooms yourself. Do not just trust the checklist. Trust your eyes. Consistency is what brings people back. Managing a motel with your partner is an adventure that defines your life. It is hard work, but it is uniquely Australian. If these tips helped you, give the video a like and subscribe for more insights into the management life. Safe travels and good luck with the next check-in.